Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. This is the podcast where learning English is simple, practical, and full of fun stories. Let me ask you a question. Do you like traveling? Do you enjoy exploring new cities, meeting new people, trying new food? Traveling is one of the best ways to learn English because real English happens everywhere. At the airport, on the train, in a hotel, or even when you ask for directions. So today, let's take a little trip together in English. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to use simple English when you travel. Get ready. Passport, ticket, and suitcase in hand. Let's go. Today's topic is travel, one of my favorite things in life. Traveling isn't just about going somewhere new. It's about meeting people, learning cultures, and of course, practicing English in real situations. So, let's imagine a short trip together from morning to night using easy, real English. It's 7 a.m. You arrive at the airport. It's big. It's busy. It's full of people. You look at the signs. You hear announcements in English. At the check-in counter, the staff smiles and says, "Good morning. May I see your passport, please?" You reply, "Sure. Here you are." They check your ticket and say, "Your flight is at 9:30. Here's your boarding pass. Have a nice trip." You smile and say, "Thank you very much." Next, you go through security. The officer says, "Please take off your jacket and put your bag on the belt." You do it. You smile again. You walk to your gate. When you finally sit down, you look out the window. You see the airplanes. You say quietly, "Wow, my trip is starting." You arrive in a new city. The sun is shining. You feel excited, but a little tired. Now it's time to check in at your hotel. You walk to the front desk. The receptionist smiles. "Welcome. Do you have a reservation?" You say, "Yes, I do. My name is Sam Lee." She types your name and says, "Great. Here's your room key. You're in room 405. You reply, "Thank you. What time is breakfast?" She smiles. "Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. Enjoy your stay." You smile, take your key, and go to your room. It's clean, it's quiet, it's comfortable. You put down your suitcase and say, "Finally, I can rest." After a short rest, you go out to explore. You see tall buildings, small shops, and street food everywhere. You stop at a small cafe. The waiter asks, "Hello, what would you like to drink?" You reply, "A cup of coffee, please." Then you add, "Could you recommend something local to eat?" The waiter smiles. "Yes, try our special sandwich. It's very popular here." You taste it. It's delicious. You say, "Wow, this is amazing. Thank you." You sit by the window, watching people walk by, and think, traveling is the best teacher. Let's look at some simple and useful phrases for traveling. Repeat after me, slowly. Here you are means when you give something politely. When giving your passport or ticket. Do you have a reservation? A question at hotels or restaurants. Yes, I have a reservation under Sam Lee. What time is breakfast? To ask about meal times at hotels. Could you recommend something? When asking for advice about food or places. Could you recommend something local? Enjoy your stay. A friendly goodbye from staff. These short sentences are perfect for beginners. Use them the next time you travel. They work everywhere. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Try to say or write 3 sentences about your last trip or a trip you want to take. Here are some examples. I want to visit Japan. I stayed at a hotel near the beach. I tried new food and it was delicious. You can also write a short paragraph like this. Last summer, I traveled to Bangkok. I stayed in a small hotel. I visited temples and ate Thai food. It was hot, but I loved it. Simple, clear, beautiful. So, my friends, what did we learn today? Traveling is not just fun, it's a great way to practice real-life English. At the airport, in a hotel, at a cafe. English helps you connect with people and experience the world. Remember these key phrases. May I see your passport, please? Do you have a reservation? Could you recommend something local? Enjoy your stay. Now tell me, where would you like to travel next? The beach? The mountains? Or maybe a big city full of lights? Write your answer in English and start dreaming about your next trip. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this episode, please like, share, and subscribe for more daily English listening stories. Until next time, travel safe, stay curious, and keep learning English wherever you go.